Hello, welcome to this tutorial on completing your registration as an agent on Chamet. Remember, the registration form link is in the description of this video. Follow each step carefully to make sure you enter all the information correctly. In the username field, enter a unique and personal username. This username will only be visible to you and is needed to access the agent panel, so make sure you remember it. In the password field, create a secure password. Make sure it's strong enough by combining letters, numbers, and special characters to protect your account. You'll need this password each time you log in. In the re-enter password field, type the same password again to confirm it. It's important that it matches the previous password to avoid access issues. In the agency name field, enter the name that will officially represent your agency on Chamet. This name will be visible to hosts in the app, so be sure to spell it correctly and choose an appropriate name, as it cannot be edited later in the agent management panel. Make sure you're completely satisfied with the name before completing this step. In the phone number field, enter your full mobile number, starting with your country code. This number is essential because it will be used to receive the verification code that allows you to complete the registration. Next, in the image verification code field, enter the numbers or letters shown in the image. This code confirms that you're not a robot and prevents automated access. Finally, in the verification code field, enter the code you receive via text message at the phone number you provided. To get this code, click Send and wait for the message. Once you receive it, type it into this field to complete verification. Once you've correctly filled in all the fields, click the Bind button. This button will finalize the registration and link your account as a Chamet agent. Make sure to review all information before pressing Bind, as some details cannot be changed afterward. Finally, after entering your details, click the Login button to access your agent panel, where you can manage all information related to your agency and hosts. On this screen, you'll see two main fields: username and password. Here, you need to enter the username and password you created during registration. If you ever forget your password, click Forget My Password to begin the recovery process. Once you've clicked the Bind button and completed registration, you'll be automatically redirected to the Agency Management System, the control panel for Chamet agents. With this, we've completed the registration process and access to the agent panel on Chamet. We hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your account and beginning your agency management journey. For more information and additional resources on maximizing your earnings and managing your hosts, visit our website. You'll find the link in the description of this video. Thank you for joining us, and best of luck on your path as a Chamet agent.